In today's video, you will learn about 7 finance books that can revolutionize how you approach money matters. It's no secret that most Americans, especially the younger generation, lack knowledge about managing money. This is understandable considering how daunting and complex handling finances can be, especially when uncertain where to begin. But here's a secret tool at your disposal: personal finance books. These books offer invaluable guidance that can empower you to take charge of your finances and optimize your resources. They contain wisdom that can significantly change your financial approach from investing to mastering money. Without much further ado, let's get started. Number 7, Broke Millennial. This book by Erin Lowry is a personal finance guide for millennials, covering topics like budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. It provides relatable advice and real-life examples to help readers navigate the complexities of money management. Lowry employs a conversational tone throughout the book, intertwining personal experiences with critical points, financial theories, and practical wisdom. She stresses the importance of investing early, citing reasons such as the acceleration of wealth through compound interest, the impact of inflation on improperly invested funds, and the advantage of time in allowing compound interest to work effectively, especially for weathering market fluctuations in youth. Lowry also outlines crucial steps to take control of finances, including creating a budget, establishing an emergency fund, choosing the right bank, understanding and nurturing credit scores, using credit cards wisely, effectively managing debt, including student loans, deciding between buying and renting a home, and preparing for retirement, even for millennials. This book is perfect for those entirely new to investing. So, if you lack fundamental knowledge about investing, make it a point to get yourself a copy. Number 6, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This finance book takes a different approach. Rather than overwhelming readers with numbers and statistics, it delves into our emotional biases and the psychology behind our financial thinking and decisions. In The Psychology of Money, Housel presents 19 short stories that explore these concepts, urging readers to become more mindful of their motivations. Housel emphasizes that success in managing money isn't solely about intelligence, but heavily hinges on our behavior. He argues that our perspectives on money, like our broader worldview, are shaped and limited by our personal experiences, especially during our formative years. These experiences become our reference points for what's considered normal when we make financial decisions, influencing our investment choices and risk tolerance. For instance, people who lived through the Great Depression prefer bonds, while those in high inflation periods are less inclined towards heavy bond investments. This bias explains why equally intelligent individuals can fiercely disagree on investment strategies, such as whether to pay off a mortgage or invest surplus cash, or the debate between lump sum investing and dollar cost averaging. Additionally, the book provides insights into the psychology of money, reshaping our mindsets. It covers topics like luck versus risk, the power of compounding, understanding fees versus fines, challenging the idea that historical trends predict the future, the impact of optimistic or pessimistic outlooks on decision-making, and an often overlooked aspect in commercial personal finance books: the value of contentment. Housel further stresses that emotional control is crucial for financial success, highlighting that even geniuses can face financial ruin without it. In contrast, ordinary individuals lacking financial education can flourish with behavioral skills unrelated to traditional intelligence. If you're curious about behavioral studies, face challenges with poor financial decisions, or aspire to financial independence, this book is highly recommended. Number 5, The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. In a time when get-rich-quick schemes and complex investing strategies prevail, this book offers a refreshingly simple yet effective plan for wealth accumulation and financial independence. The Automatic Millionaire focuses on making intelligent financial choices that gradually amass wealth effortlessly. For instance, Bach demonstrates how automating savings and investments, living within your means, and opting for low-cost index funds can optimize returns and fast-track wealth growth. It also emphasizes leveraging employer benefits, establishing multiple income sources, and investing in self-improvement to enhance earnings potential and secure long-term financial stability. It also highlights the importance of contributing to society and acknowledging your financial successes. This provides a sense of purpose and fulfillment and motivates you towards achieving your financial goals. While The Automatic Millionaire provides valuable insights and actionable strategies, it does come with certain limitations. Nevertheless, it is a classic and essential reading for almost every investor, especially those starting their financial journey. If you're embarking on your investment path, getting a copy from your local bookstore is a decision you won't regret. Number 4, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley and William Danko. Becoming a millionaire is frequently linked to possessing high-end cars, lavish homes, and designer clothing. However, The Millionaire Next Door challenges these common misconceptions about wealth by highlighting the lifestyles and habits of everyday millionaires. It reveals that many affluent people aren't flashy spenders, but live modestly, prioritize savings and investments, and focus on long-term financial stability rather than immediate consumption. The book isn't a typical how-to guide, it's more of a comprehensive analysis based on research. It uses data to portray the habits of wealthy households, debunking the prevalent myths about what it means to be rich. Instead of the flashy image portrayed by luxury cars and extravagant houses, it reveals that true wealth often hides in plain sight among ordinary, hardworking individuals. The book emphasizes that trying to emulate those who showcase wealth outwardly won't necessarily make you wealthy. While plenty of financial advice is available, this book emphasizes strategies for building wealth within a family context. It stresses the importance of cultivating a wealthy household and instilling these values in the next generation. Another critical point highlighted is the influence of one's life partner on financial success. It stresses the significance of choosing a spouse with similar financial values to avoid conflicts and overspending, advising early discussions on this matter in relationships. These are just a few lessons from The Millionaire Next Door. Exploring the book is highly recommended for a deeper understanding of wealth accumulation and practical financial advice. Number 3, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. If you're into financial education or exploring strategies to become debt-free, chances are you have come across the name Dave Ramsey. Dave Ramsey is an American radio personality, author, and entrepreneur with strong views and teachings on the principles of money from a biblical perspective. His book, The Total Money Makeover, is a step-by-step manual for personal financial transformation. These steps align with Ramsey's major money philosophies. They are presented through relatable real-life examples and stories from individuals who've successfully followed his method. The book also offers motivational guidance, packed with practical tips to assist readers in liberating themselves from overwhelming debt and attaining lasting financial stability and independence. At the start of the book, Ramsey recounts his journey to financial freedom, detailing how he went from being a millionaire in his early 20s to bankruptcy and then back to becoming a millionaire, this time without losing it all. He shares insights into what he did differently to maintain his wealth. The book further outlines a clear financial plan, establishing a $1,000 emergency fund and systematically paying off debts using the debt snowball method. Then, it suggests expanding the emergency fund, focusing on saving about 15% of your income for retirement, setting a college fund for your children, paying off mortgages, and finally concentrating on wealth building through savings and investments. However, a drawback of Ramsey's approach is its strict avoidance of credit and loans. While Ramsey advocates for a cash-only approach, there are advantages to using credit cards and loans responsibly, such as improving credit scores and accessing necessary items without extensive savings. Therefore, though simple and beneficial, Ramsey's solutions may not be suitable for everyone. Nevertheless, this is one of the top personal finance books you should read if you want a fresh perspective on the purpose of money. Number 2, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This book by Robert Kiyosaki offers a unique perspective on personal finance, challenging traditional views on money and wealth. Kiyosaki uses the contrasting mindsets of his two fathers to highlight the significance of financial literacy, investing in assets, and fostering a mindset conducive to creating wealth. The book dispels the myth that wealth is inherited and clarifies the distinction between assets and liabilities, among other insights. Kiyosaki's statement, "The rich don't work for money," is often misunderstood in the first chapter. This phrase doesn't imply that the wealthy don't work. Instead, it suggests that their approach to work differs. Instead of solely relying on a paycheck, they focus on making money work for them by investing in income-generating assets. The book also critiques the conventional education system, which tends to prepare individuals for employment rather than entrepreneurship or investment. Additionally, in Chapter 7, Kiyosaki encourages prioritizing learning and skill development over merely working for monetary gain. He argues that investing in education and gaining valuable experience are crucial for long-term success. By continually expanding your knowledge base, you can significantly enhance your earning potential and create substantial opportunities for financial growth. This book serves as a call to action, encouraging readers to take a proactive approach to attaining financial freedom. Number 1, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This is a highly regarded book on stock market investing, solidifying Graham's reputation as the father of value investing. Graham initially taught some of these principles at business school, but later adapted them in the book for a wider audience of amateur investors. Its core focus is on investing with a long-term perspective, emphasizing wealth building through stocks and other investment avenues. At the book's core lies the concept of value investing, providing readers with guidance on identifying undervalued companies, steering clear of groupthink, and understanding crucial investment principles. It covers fundamental aspects such as investment strategies, understanding safety margins, the analogy of Mr. Market, and cultivating self-awareness in investment decision-making. Despite its focus on investing, Graham places significant importance on psychology and temperament. He argues that having the right mindset is crucial for any investing strategy to succeed. In the book, Graham differentiates between two types of investors: defensive investors, who prefer a passive approach and are content with average market returns, and enterprising investors, who are willing to pursue higher gains actively. Graham believed that most individuals aren't suited for the proactive nature of enterprising investing and recommended that most of us be defensive. Consequently, a significant part of his book focuses on defensive investing techniques and the merits of passive investment. Interestingly, Warren Buffett, a renowned value investor and philanthropic billionaire, drew inspiration from Graham's teachings. Buffett was so influenced by The Intelligent Investor that he incorporated Graham's strategies into his investment practices. Today, Buffett is celebrated as one of the most prosperous investors of the past century. Whether you're at the beginning of your financial journey or a seasoned pro, these 7 finance books offer valuable insights and guidance tailored to assist you in making optimal financial decisions. Whether you purchase them online, borrow from a library, find them at a charity shop or car boot sale, or listen to the audiobook versions, dedicating time to absorb the content of these books can significantly enhance your financial well-being. Before I sign out, let us know if you've read any books mentioned in this video. If you have, please share some of the lessons you've learned. I am looking forward to hearing from you. Bye.